Okay, this is going to be a super short, super fast walkthrough just so that we're all clear on what we're doing with this very first Google Docs assignment. So you should already have your account, and your account will be very boring and empty. Soon it will be filled with lots of color like mine. Easy. New. Click New. Document. The first thing you're going to make is a document. Boom. Goes right to Document. Now, the title will end up being the first thing you type here. So you can change it, but it gets kind of annoying. So think about it before you type. Our example, this first thing is the Chapman tree. The tree Chapman. This is how my day is going. The Chapman tree. All right. Now, you see I can play with it. You know, bold, underline, italics, font color, highlight, whatever. Down and dirty. You don't need to put anything on this right now. Okay. So over on, let me make this window smaller. Over on the far right side, you've got share and save. First, save it, please. I'm begging you. Save it. Okay, once it's been saved, notice how the title changed. There was my first line, now it's the title. I'm going to go back to my home area, and if you haven't created your folder yet, again, very simple. New folder. I'm going to call this example. Yes, I know I've really put a lot of thought into that. I actually like playing with the colors. You don't have to. I just do because I can. Okay, so I'm going to save my example. Now, there's nothing in here, so I go back. Again, clicking on Google Docs takes you to your home area. So what I want to do is move, let's look at all the items owned by me. I want to move the Chapman tree into my example folder. So over here I select it, I click the little box, I go up to move to, and let's see, in my folders I have a couple different folders. I believe I put the example inside. There it is, there's my example. So I highlight it, move to folder. Boom, and it shows me right here. Example, move to folder. But notice this. It says, I want to deselect it. It is not shared. Okay, I need you to share with me. I'm very lonely. So click again, select it, and right up here, just above there is share. Invite people. All right. So I am asking that you all please, whenever you're sharing a document, share with my Google email, just because that's the one I use rather than my Chapman for creating all my documents. I like keeping the two separate. So it'd be Dr. K Greene, because my in-laws cannot spell, Green with an E, at gmail.com. Okay, and if you want to invite multiple people, all you have to do is put a comma in between. Now, here's something to pay attention to, my friends. You can invite someone to edit the document or just to view it. So let me just say later, when you're working on your portfolios and you're sharing them with other people, that's when you send to view. But when we're working collaboratively, of course you want to send to edit. So then you click send. You can also write a lovely little message. Send a copy to yourself, and then send. Boom. As soon as I do that, just for argument's sake, I'll send this to my Chapman account instead. Okay. Send. Okay, so now I can see who can edit it, who is the owner. Got it? And it'll show me, oops, I didn't mean to open that. But see, here's the great thing. You make a mistake, no big deal. You go back to Google Docs Home. I want to deselect it. That little interface issue gets annoying, but this is free. This works. We'll get used to it. And I can see right away it's shared by me. So I can see what folders my things are in. I can see who they're shared with, or if they're not shared at all. All right, I hope that helps clarify this first assignment, setting up your very first Google Doc.